the hearing of this case, but
utapewa na gonga utafunguliwa. Yes.
Apparently the court was not sitting, so they have given us 9th of May. But you can see on our part, the part of the complainant, Mr. Ringtone, we were ready to proceed. Ringtone was here, and we had several other witnesses. Yeah.
Okay, but why is it that each and every time this case huwa inapushiwa kila wakati?
No, but I think here genuinely the court was engaged in other official duties. So that do happen in most cases. And it's a fair process, because if the court is engaged, then there is nothing you can do. And this is something that could have come after we had taken the date. So the court could never have contemplated that this could be the scenario. So I think it's normal. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Ringtone, what do you have to say about that?
Mimi nasema tu mimi nimekufuata tu sheria, kwa sababu unajua wakati nilidhulumiwa na nilikosewa hadharani, so watu wengine walisema ni kipindi, ni uongo. So ni vizuri pia process kama hii kiendelea, ndio watu wajue kwamba haikuwa mchezo, ilikuwa serious. Nilidhulumiwa, nikakuwa mgonjwa, hata niko na issues za kichwa mpaka wa leo, naendelea kuendelea through matibabu. So mimi najua, naamini judicial ya Kenya itaweza kudeliver judgment ya ukweli. So ni hivyo. Mimi sina ubaya na mtu, nishasamea kwa moyo wangu. So lakini lazima tufuate sheria pia. Yes.
Are you willing to settle the matter out of court?
I think at the moment that is not in the picture at the moment, because first of all we want justice to be done and to be seen to be done, but we can't rule it out. The challenge we are having is the attitude of the other stakeholders. You see, he has already forgiven, and that is the maximum we can do as the complainant. There is nothing much you can do other than forgive and move on. Yes. So we know the law allows, under Article 159 2C allows reconciliation, but reconciliation takes two parties. Yes.
So the other party is not willing to reconcile.
The case must proceed on merits first. Yeah. Yes. That's our opinion. And we don't want to discuss that further, because the DPP is the person prosecuting this case. So that is under his mandate.
The matter was before?
Yeah. Court 8, yeah. In Kibera.
Okay.
Yes.
Mimi naweza sema, unajua Biblia inasema gonga itafunguliwa, itisha utapewa. So sitaki kusema zaidi ya hiyo, nimesema tu Biblia inasema itisha utapewa, gonga utafunguliwa. Kenye hiyo inamaanisha wengine wasome Biblia kuanzia Genesis mpaka Revelation, si generation wewe, Genesis mpaka Revelation. Mimi nishasamea kwa moyo wangu, lakini Biblia inasema omba utapewa na gonga utafunguliwa. Yes.